Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll see how to configure email feature by using task. Email can be triggered through send email task by using advanced bit button properties. For email configuration, please refer email part 1 or part 2 video. Create a new project in FlexiSoft software as per hardware selection. Here I am using FP4070TN series HMI. Expand the email. Here configured the email settings. Here, update the contact list for sending email. This text message will be the email message. Click on the screen 1. Select Advanced Object. In that email log, now, select Advanced Bit button. Expand the button size. Bit button properties will be on screen. Change the text of the button if required. We can change the font properties. Click here for opening the task window. Touch screen task list window opens up. Click on the Pre's task radio button. In task list, select Send Email. As per email configuration, select the screen number, screen name, and group number. Press on Add button to add this task. Task is added into the Press task list. Press on OK button. Compile the project. Press on the download icon. Enter the IP address of the device network. Click on Download button for download the application. We have completed the steps for email configuration using task. This is email log screen on the HMI. Press on the Send Email button for sending email. Here the status register is having value 8, it means email has sent successfully. The status register shows the status of our email. Email is sent successfully or not, server connection is done or not, or any kind of error is there, and so on. This is an email message screen in the mailbox. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment, like and share. For more videos, please subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for updates.